Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. Maybe you've been told you need a set of front struts or struts all the way around because there's a rattling noise over bumps. Before you spend the money on the struts, you might want to watch this video first. Okay everyone, this is a stabilizer link off the vehicle. Okay, so this little ball fits in the socket right here, and what happens is over time the socket will wear out, kind of like a hip joint does in a human being. Over time they wear out, and when this happens you'll go over bumps, there'll be a rattling noise. Now it's a small amount of play in here, and it causes that noise to sound very loud, and it can be often mistaken for struts. Struts cost quite a bit of money to replace, and when you replace them to find out the noise is not gone, you get really irritated to find out it was only the links. Now, if it's not the links, it could be one other thing. Hold on. Okay everyone, so this is the stabilizer bar right here. The stabilizer bar goes from the bottom of this stabilizer link, you see, and it goes right here, and then it goes all the way over to the other side, to the other stabilizer link. Okay, so what you can end up with most of the time, usually it's the stabilizer link, the ball and socket I showed you on the bench there, that gets loose. Other times it can just be the bushing that you see right here that surrounds the stabilizer bar, and oftentimes it's worth it to check that first, because the excess clearance between that bar and the bushing can cause a rattling or thumping type rattling noise over bumps. These bushings are a lot cheaper to replace than the links, so it's a good idea to check these first, then the links for looseness. And if there's nothing there, then it's likely that it could be the strut that the source of the noise is. But anyway, until next time, I hope this has helped you better understand what a stabilizer link is and a stabilizer bushing is. And look into it first. Don't replace struts to try and correct the noise. It may just be these two little items here. Anyway, until next time, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video.